The aftermath of a TikTok. Making a TikTok, at least for me, takes a pretty low level of discipline, but making a YouTube video, it's the hardest thing in the world sometimes. But anyway, let's get on the roof. It's easier to talk up there. Why is it easier to talk on the roof? I don't know. I feel like I can gather my thoughts here sometimes. Sometimes if I need to relax or chill, I just hide on the roof. Nobody follows me up here. I came up here to talk about motivation. What motivates you? What motivates me? What motivates anybody, really? And I was thinking about this today, but motivation is really just a feeling. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're sad, sometimes you're motivated, and sometimes you're not. So, why am I filming this video? Because I must confess, I wasn't motivated to make this video. There's a difference between motivation and drive. For TikTok, there's a low barrier to entry. It's just a video, anywhere between 15 to 60 seconds. It's got to be either funny, witty, or informative, and as long as it's quality content, it'll do well. But on YouTube, well, that's unknown waters. I've never gone to YouTube before, so here we are. So, what makes somebody driven? I think what makes somebody driven is doing something despite not wanting to do it. You know it's going to produce something good, and so you do it anyway, even though you don't want to do it. And that's what I aspire to be, driven. So, thank you to all you wonderful people who have supported me amazingly on TikTok and for supporting me here. So, I plan on being the most driven person there is, and I want to bring you guys quality content, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever. So if you have suggestions, leave it in the comments. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Glad to see you join the Flexi Gang, and I'll talk to you soon.